Let us see the probability on getting the difference of the numbers when two dice are thrown. Earlier video we were discussing with respect to sum of the numbers when two dice are thrown. Now we will go for difference of the numbers, right? You know the minimum even which I can get when throwing a dice 1, 1, right? This is the minimum event I can get, and likewise the maximum event I can get here is 6, 6. Okay, 6, 6. So the difference I can get here is 0. Am I right? First die throw pandra, I am getting 1. Second die also I am getting 1. So 0 will be the minimum difference. When I go for 6, 6, that's the maximum difference. So obviously here also it will be 0. Here also it will be 0. Apart from this, when the difference varlan pathina, we can get the difference 1, we can get the difference 2. So apart from 0, we can get the difference 3, we can get the difference 4, we can get the difference 5. 6 varumana varadu. Okay. Enna cases okay, first 0, right? Enna cases 0 varum pathina 1, 1, right? 2, 2. There is same phases now you will get 0. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6, right? Let me have the probability value later. I will just list the events. In the cases 1 varum pathina, okay, that is the difference 1. I may have it as 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, is it okay? 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Am I right? Am I right? Now here is a problem. Whether I have to take 1, 2 and also 2, 1. 1, 2 the difference is 1 and 2, 1. Illa 2, 1 1, 2 Please focus on the word difference. When I say difference, I take the two values and subtract. Whether it comes in negative or positive doesn't matter. Question la enna ketirukanga parunga, positive difference or negative difference ante. So if it is a positive difference na, you will take this one. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 and 6, 5 will be your value. If it is a positive difference na. Negative difference na idu this set. So general difference na you will take together, everything together. So here it is 6 events, here it is 5, here it is 5, right? Here it is 5, here it is 5. When I go with respect to 2, so this is done with respect to 2, that is difference of 2. So if you go checking with 1 and 3, yes, 2 and 4, yes, or 3 and 5, yes, 4 and 6, yes. The reverse way, the positive difference, 3 and 1, 4 and 2, 5 and 3, 4 and 6, right? So total number of events favorable will be 4 and positive difference is also 4. With respect to 3 events, so sorry, difference is 3. So 1 and 4, right? And 2 and 3, sorry, not 3, 5 and 3 and 6. Only 3 is favorable. And with respect to positive difference 3, 4 and 1, 5 and 2 and 3. So this is 3 and this is also 3. Is it okay? With respect to 4, that is getting a difference of 4. So you can have 1, 5. There is a chance 5, 1. Positive difference 5, 1. So this is 2. This is also 2. So if you find here 6 varum, 5 varum, 4 varum, 3 varum, 2 varum. Okay. And with respect to 5, there is only one chance, 1, 6, and obviously the other chance 6, 1. Okay. Inga same value will be there. Is it okay? There is no chance of getting a difference of 6 here. So 6 varana 1, 7 da varamudiyo. So these are the only chances. How you can remember this easily without listing the events? If it is an objective question, you can directly list the answer. Yeah? You don't go for like you do for descriptive question. Events necessary. How you can remember is, if it is 0, favorable will be 6. So favorable will be 6 with respect to 0. So P of getting the difference, I will write D as difference is equal to 0 is 6 by 36. Am I right? Why 6 by 36? 6 square, that is total number of events. When it is 1, difference is equal to 1. Remember 5 and just multiply by 2. Positive difference. now 5 value, negative difference na 5 value, general difference na multiplied by 2. So I'll just write it as 5 into 2 itself divided by 36. So 10 by 36. With respect to 2 as the difference, so difference is equal to 2. Again, I'll write it as 4 into 2 by 36. Why I'm just writing this as 4 now? 8 by 36 the answer, but I just want to bring a link here. 6, 5, 4 varudalla. This 4 is for positive difference and this 4 for negative difference. Obviously, you will add or you will take double of it. With respect to 3, yes, you can take the link. 3 na 3 here paranga. D equal to 3. So this is 3 into 2 divided by 36. Obviously, positive difference or negative difference paranga. So it just reduces. Starts from 6, 5 into 2, 4 into 2, 3 into 2, and here difference with respect to positive 4 and negative 4 is 2 into 2 divided by 36. Is it okay? And the last one is again 2 into 2. So this is probability of getting the difference equal to 5. So this is 2 into 2 divided by 36. 1 comma 6 and 6 comma 1 are here. Nothing else is favorable. Oh sorry, here it is 2 comma 6. Oh sorry, I missed it. I am very sorry. This is 1 comma 5. This is 2 comma 6 and 6 comma 2. Okay, because I have to get here 2 and 2. Yes, inga 2 and 2 correct potrukka, inga just miss pannita. I am very sorry because I have to get the link. So idu correct varudhu, and here it is 1 and 1. Here it is 1 and 1. Yes, so this will be directly 2. So 1 into 2. So 1 into 2. Please kindly excuse. Actually, inga list pannirundha correct. So 1 and 5, 2 and 6. So 2. 1 and 5, 6 and 2, 2. Inga vandu 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 and 1, 1. Is it okay? So this is P of D equal to 5, 1 into 2. So if you start here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it okay? So if you check here alone you will not have into 2. Right? Here and all you will have into 2. So let me go for the final value. 6 by 36, 10 by 36, 8 by 36. This is again 6 by 36. Is it okay? 4 by 36 and 2 by 36. This will be your probability value. Fine. You have to add so that you will get 1. So that you will get 1. Check panni paakalama. 8, 16. So 10, 6, 10, 20, 30, 38, 38. Very sorry. 28. 1 second. So this is 6, 4, 10, 20, 28 plus 34, 36. See, you are getting the value 1. So this is how you can check. But for easy doing, just remember for difference 0 ku 6, 1 ku 5 into 2, for 2 it is 4 into 2. Just you decrease. So you can, I just write it here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. For 0 to 6 by 36 you can remember. For it is 5 divided into 2, reduce it. 4 into 2, reduce it. 3 into 2, reduce it. 2 into 2, and this is 1 into 2. For this one alone you will not have into 2. Other things and all you will have into 2. Is it okay? So this is with respect to difference of the numbers, right?